Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and right here I have 6 adorable ties for my small male dog. These are by Segarty. They do come in different variety packages if you prefer different colors. I like this one because it had so many of the classic kind of looks. My daughter loves to dress up our male dog, and this is so cute. Like, they're good for weddings. You can have it if it's a little tux. You can have it if you're going to a party and dress up your dog. You can do it just for fun as well. She likes to put ties on our male dog, and he actually doesn't mind it at all. It's super comfortable. It has Velcro on the back, so you can adjust the tension on it so it can be just tighter, it can be softer. It comes in different sizes as well. You can go from extra small all the way to double XL, depending which size your dog is. So it's a great thing, I find, if you do want to dress up your dog, if you just want to have it for fun. My daughter absolutely loves these, and I went with the classic colors, which is kind of cool, and he looks good in all of them, as you can see. But that's just my point of view.